I said yes to the Femme Meets Fortune Mastermind because Diamond is a force of nature. Before working with the Femme Meets Fortune Mastermind, my life was really being an isolated female entrepreneur. Hands down, my investment in Femme Meets Fortune was worth it. Diamond has wisdom and experience that it would take me years to cultivate on my own, or multiple people to bounce ideas off of to learn. Also, the wisdom from the women in the group was really valuable. Diamond would offer ideas, and then I would hear other women in our group chime in with experiences and examples from their own businesses. And honestly, sometimes when there were difficult problems to tackle, just hearing everyone in the collective recognize that something was difficult meant so much for me, and being able to take it on with more courage. It was just a really valuable experience for me. What surprised me the most about the Femme Meets Fortune Mastermind was how much I needed to bring in my feminine self. So something I'm doing differently now that I've gone through the Femme Meets Fortune Mastermind is always being ready for that next level of growth for my business. So I ended up running a business that needed to scale really quickly, and I was really fortunate that that was specifically something that Diamond had experience with. So the conversations around pleasure have supported my business goals because I didn't realize that my business was really eclipsing my connection to my own pleasure. I feel like just gives me more confidence. It puts more energy in my business. I feel more charismatic with the people that I'm working with. I would recommend the Femme Meets Fortune Mastermind to anyone because being a female entrepreneur is very unique, and there's not many resources that are catered to female entrepreneurs and helping them focus on their pleasure and using their pleasure to make their business stronger. And I would also, of course, recommend this mastermind because it helped my business. It not only helped my business, but it helped me. I'm Abby Whipple, and I'm in Durango, Colorado.